Every great meal begins with the highest quality ingredients. For the perfect beef and bean burrito,
Miles away, the second essential ingredient is reaching peak maturity, the humble pinto bean, a dense, protein-rich foundation for our burritos.
precision agriculture at work. These colossal machines strip the mature beans from their vines, processing hundreds of tons an hour.
The raw beans, still dusty from the field, are immediately loaded for transport. Time is of the essence to preserve peak freshness.
The foundation of the burrito, the tortilla, requires strong, resilient wheat. These fields provide the
Using GPS precision, the harvesters move systematically, ensuring every grain of this crucial carbohydrate source is collected. No beef and bean burrito is complete without a rich, tangy sauce. We source high lycopene tomatoes, harvested only at their reddest peak.
Providing essential aromatic depth, thousands of acres are dedicated to growing pungent, high-quality onions.
While automation handles much, certain specialty vegetables, like these crisp peppers, are still hand-selected for optimal texture. The flavor secret lies in the spices. Cumin, earthy and warm, is meticulously... And for that essential kick, premium chili powders are blended to proprietary specifications.
The beef supply is chilled immediately and loaded onto specialized transporters to maintain temperature integrity across hundreds of miles.
The logistics operation is massive. A fleet of trucks carries the harvested beans towards the central manufacturing hub. The wheat, sometimes already milled into flour, travels in sealed tankers, preventing contamination during its long journey.
All components converge at regional distribution centers, ensuring the factory receives a constant, fresh supply of all necessary ingredients.
Through highways and back roads, drivers work tirelessly to meet the tight deadlines required by the high-volume production of the beef and bean burritos.
This massive logistical ballot ensures that all elements, beef, beans, wheat, and vegetables, arrive precisely on schedule.
The destination, a facility engineered for maximum transport those raw materials into beef and bean.
Arrival is controlled down to the minute. The processing phase is about to begin.
Immediate checks confirm strict adherence to cold chain standards, guaranteeing the safety and freshness of the beef.
The pinto beans are transferred to massive silos, beginning the cleaning and sorting process necessary before cooking.
The wheat flour is transferred, secured from all external elements, maintaining its purity for the delicate tortilla dough.
The raw materials have arrived. Now, the transformation begins inside the mega factory.
The beans must be spotless. Multi-stage filtration systems remove every impurity before hydration can begin.
The dry pinto beans are hydrated for hours in purified water, preparing them for perfect, even cooking.
Using state-of-the-art automation, the beef is processed rapidly into the required cuts, ensuring maximum efficiency and hygiene. The beef is then finely ground to achieve the ideal texture, crucial for a homogeneous, satisfying beef and bean burrito filling. The ground beef enters colossal kettles, where it is browned and seasoned to perfection, releasing rich, savory aromas. The pinto beans are cooked under precise pressure and temperature profiles, ensuring they are tender yet hold their shape.
A portion of the beans is mashed, creating the creamy, essential bean spread that binds the beef and bean burrito filling together.
The vegetables are intensely washed, removing all residues, using high-pressure, sterilized water systems.
Uniformity is key. Precision cutters ensure every piece of vegetable will cook and integrate seamlessly into the final mixture.
The tomatoes, now pureed, are simmered down, concentrating the flavor before being fortified with spices.
The proprietary spice blend is automatically injected, guaranteeing that every single batch of beef and bean burrito tastes identical.
Meanwhile, the tortilla dough is prepared. Massive mixers replicate the kneading action, ensuring elasticity and strength. Precision portioning guarantees the perfect diameter and thickness for the final rollable tortilla shell. High heat and pressure transform the dough into the familiar, supple tortilla shell in mere seconds. The tortillas enter the scorching oven, where flash baking sets the final texture, ensuring they won't crack during the wrapping process.
Now the individual components combine. The savory beef meets the creamy beans and zesty vegetables.
The filling must be cooled quickly to prevent degradation and prepare it for assembly, ensuring safety and optimal texture.
Freshly baked tortillas are delivered directly to the assembly line, still warm and pliable.
The heart of the operation. Computer vision ensures the filling is deposited perfectly centered, maximizing the quality of the final roll. The folding process is highly specialized, mimicking the delicate hand motion of a skilled chef, but at industrial speed.
The side flaps are tucked tight, ensuring that none of the precious beef and bean burritos filling escapes. In one swift motion, the beef and bean burrito is born, perfectly sealed and ready for the next phase. A continuous flow of product moves down the line. Millions of beef and bean burritos are produced daily. Each beef and bean burrito passes through a sanitation stage, guaranteeing maximum food safety and cleanliness.
Automated scales check every single unit. If the weight is off by even a fraction of a gram, it is flagged. Substandard products are immediately removed from the line. Perfection is non-negotiable.
The final safety check before freezing. Ultra-sensitive magnetometers scan every beef and bean burrito for any trace of metal.
Even with automation, human expertise is indispensable. Quality assurance technicians visually confirm the excellence.
Advanced internal scanning verifies that the filling is perfectly distributed, guaranteeing a satisfying bite every time.
To lock in freshness and halt all microbial activity, the beef and bean burritos enter the cryogenic flash freezer, dropping temperatures instantly.
Minutes later, the beef and bean burritos emerge, completely frozen. This rapid temperature drop ensures premium preservation without crystal damage.
The packaging process begins. Branded wrappers, designed to withstand deep freeze and microwave reheating, are fed into the high-speed system.
Each beef and bean burrito is individually wrapped and sealed, locking the product's flavor and protecting it until it reaches the customer.
The scale of production is dizzying. These lines run 24 hours a day, keeping up with global demand. Each package receives essential tracking data, allowing us to trace every beef and bean burrito back to its exact production time and batch. The burritos are grouped into their respective retail units, handled with care by synchronized robotic systems.
The printed cardboard boxes are folded, filled, and sealed, ready for market shelves. The final seal confirms the integrity of the packaging, protecting the beef and bean burritos from external environmental factors. The retail boxes are grouped into bulk shipping cases, optimizing cube space for efficient transit.
These robotic marvels stack thousands of cases an hour, creating standardized pallets ready for the next stage of distribution.
Each pallet is tightly secured, protecting the product during international transport and handling. The finished beef and bean burritos enter the cold chain network immediately, stored in dark, controlled environments until shipment.
From the warehouse floor, the product moves swiftly into specialized refrigerated containers, maintaining the deep freeze temperature. The global journey begins. From local markets to international territories, these beef and
After navigating complex global routes, the beef and bean burritos arrive at their final local distribution hub.
Speed is crucial here. The cold chain must remain unbroken until the product reaches the final retail location.
Finally, the beef and bean burritos are stocked and presented to the consumer, completing the industrial journey.
the choice is made. A global supply chain engineered for excellence results in a simple, satisfying consumer interaction.
Back home, the final step is simple, thanks to the immense effort that went into preparing this meal. From vast ranches and fields, through millions of dollars of cutting-edge technology, the result is this: the perfect, dependable beef and bean burrito.
A testament to modern manufacturing, where quality, scale, and flavor meet perfectly on the plate.
The process never stops. As long as there is demand,
The journey of the beef and bean burritos